welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today's 2-minute tip is a viewer requested one, all about how do I store my embossing folders. Well, I have this little handy dandy storage piece from Stamp & Storage. I will link this in the video description for you. Now, the reason I like this particular one is because it is designed for embossing folders. Now, you can get this option here that I have, or you can get one with a lid, depending on what you prefer. I like the fact that it's open because it means I see my embossing folders and I'm far more likely to use them. So I keep these inside here, and normally I like to pop a little label on the top of my embossing folder with the brand and what it is. And then in the back here, I have my embossing diffusers. I have some of my thicker Tim Holtz ones, either the 3D ones. There's some newer ones here from Brutus Monroe that haven't even been labelled yet. And then in the back here, I also have some of my smaller thick ones from Tim Holtz and things like the side order ones. So this is how I keep them. Now, I used to have a ring. I used to have a lot more embossing folders for starters. I've really kind of downsized my selection. But what I used to do was have all of my embossing folders. I just ran a piece of front size cardstock through my embossing folder in my die cutting machine. And then I used to have them all on a book ring. And again, I labeled that saying, okay, so Elizabeth Craft Design, embossing folder, I don't know, bark is the one in the back here. So I'd have that, I'd have it on a book ring. And then when I wanted to use a texture, I knew exactly what that texture looked like. So I used to have those, but I had to say, I never really kind of referred to it. So I abandoned that idea. It's probably around somewhere if I really went and looked for it. But this is perfect for me because when I want something, I can just go in here, I can flick through it and I can find what I want. Particularly now, a lot of companies do print what's in the embossing folder on the front cover for me. And that for me works perfectly well. So super quick tip. I probably have almost stuck to 2 minutes as well. But I'll put all the links to everything in this video will be in the video description for you. I'll also link up my favorite P-Touch labeler. So if you are looking for a labeling tool, I'll link that up. And I'll also link the refills that I use in my P-Touch for you in the description below. Do check out the description because there'll be some exclusive coupon codes down there, and check out our video on channel memberships. You can now become a member of the Hedgehog Hollow YouTube channel. We are the only craft and DIY channel that offers this fantastic program where you can become part of our community. We also, of course, have the Hedgehog Hollow subscription box. So many amazing things happening here at Hedgehog Hollow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. And now you can hit that join button too. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's 2-minute tip. If you need a tip, whether it's a storage idea or a technique or a tutorial, leave us a comment. We always check those. We can't reply to all of them, but we read every single comment. We'll try to add that into our video list. And I will see you again tomorrow. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.